Hi guys, we're back. In case you are new to our channel, I'm Lawrence Villaverde.
I'm Cyril Luciano, and we are property specialists of Mega World at the Fort.
And for today's video, we will be doing a very exclusive tour, and you will be seeing it first here on our channel, which is the Park McKinley West Mall.
Park McKinley West Mall will partially open around July 2025, and the full operation will be around fourth quarter this year. Also, Park McKinley West Mall is around 11,500 square meters, and this is just located below the Park McKinley West project. So, are you ready guys to see the mall? Are you ready, Lore?
I'm ready!
Let's go!
Hi guys! So now we are about to enter Park McKinley West Mall. So as of the moment, we are here along Lawton Avenue. So ayan, nasa harapan ko kanina. This is where Lawton Avenue is located. So Park McKinley West is actually along Lawton Avenue, but the address of this condominium is along Legrand. Lahat ng lobby, reception lobby, andun sa Legrand Avenue, and access dito sa mall is through Lawton Avenue. Okay? So now, here at the back, yan, nandito yung parking papunta sa commercial space, which is Park McKinley West Mall. Tapos yan, may mga ano tayo dyan, magkakaroon tayo mga restaurants dito sa Lawton Avenue. Ayan, as you can see, may Matcha Tokyo, yan, may George & Oni, tapos meron din tayo dito mga Japanese restaurant. So now, let's go inside the mall. Let's go. So are you guys excited to see the mall? Yan. So, nakaka-excite siya guys kasi matatapos na siya by July, yung partial operation na by July 2025. So, this is the entrance from Lawton Avenue. So, this is Park McKinley West Mall. Ayan. So, as you can see guys, wala pang stores na open talaga kasi under renovation pa siya. Pero meron ng mga labels kung anong mga restaurants or anong mga coffee shops yung itatayo dito. Like for example, this side, ito, ano ba ito? Dito pala, Matcha Tokyo nasa labas. Ayan, so, ayan, parang mga Japanese, coffee shop, ganyan. Tapos dito naman, ang sabi, parang mga, parang Wildflower ang datingan. George & Oni. Ayan, sister company siya. Tapos, ito yung reception, yan, concierge of Park McKinley West Mall. So, medyo may similarity siya dun sa Uptown Mall. If you can see the design, the features of the commercial mall here in Park McKinley West. So, before we go here, punta muna tayo sa side na to. Yan. So, sa side na to, sabi daw, dito sa upper ground floor of the mall, mostly mga restaurants, mga food and beverage. Ayan siya. By the way guys, this one is a bi-level mall. So, it occupies the upper ground and lower ground floor of Park McKinley West. And basement 1 is allotted for commercial parking. Ayan guys, ang lawak oh. Super lawak. Ayan, merong Mensho Ramen. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung phase 1, Tower A and Tower B. Phase 2 will be here, Tower C and D. Although, if you will see, close pa siya kasi under renovation pa yung phase 2. But dito yung extension. Malaki siya guys kasi hanggang phase 3 pa siya. Isipin nyo gano'ng kahaba tong mall na to. Ayan, naka-close pa siya but that is phase 2 of Park McKinley West Mall. Mag-open din yan later this year. And then when you go down, ito yung lower ground floor. Dito daw yung supermarket. Andyan yung grocery. Although we cannot access it right now kasi under renovation siya. But andito yung phase phase 2, but dito yung supermarket. Although wala pang exact supermarket na ilalagay kung ano yung final. And over on this side naman, ayan, ano na yan, Legrand Avenue. Yan, yan, ito, Legrand Avenue na yan. So, you can also access the mall through Legrand Avenue. Ayan guys, so. Ayan, o diba? Ang lawak talaga niya. So, yung mga nakatira sa McKinley West, meron na silang nearby mall, diba? So, yung mga nakataga San Moritz, Albany, may walking distance na lang sila dito sa Park McKinley West Mall. Kasi ganun naman ang goal ni Mega World. Every township may mall dapat. So, ito yung first ever mall here in McKinley West, diba? Sobrang modern. Now, proceed naman tayo sa other side of the mall. may Yakiniku Sudaku. Ayan. Diba? Do you see some diba? Parang similarities dun sa Uptown Mall. Diba meron siya yung mga wood, wall cladding, And wala pa masyado, guys. Nagko-construct pa. Ayan, nandun pa siya hindi pa siya fully done. But, like I said, by July siya matatapos. Partial. Ayan. Tapos, ang lawak niya, guys. Isipin mo ganun kahaba. Ayan. Dito, hello po. Dito naman sa side na to, ayan, mga restaurants din yan. Food and beverage. Yan, restaurants, shops, services, upper ground floor. Tapos meron alfresco dining din dito. Sabi nung leasing department, magkakaroon ng parang mga bar. Kaya siya may parang, kumbaga, extension sa alfresco dining. Kunyari, dito yung bar, tapos meron parang outdoor. Yan siya. Tartufo. Yan, Tartufo siya. Firenze. Yan, ito yung outdoor naman. So, extension siya nung mall. Ayan. So, pwede dito. Kasi syempre bar, syempre may outdoor talaga yun. Tapos ito, ayan na, Le Grand Avenue na to. Yan. Diba? Tapos sa taas na yung condo. Super accessible siya, especially if you're living in Park McKinley West. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Venice Mall kasi that's the nearest mall here in McKinley West. But now, you have your own mall na. Pagbaba mo ng condo yun na. And if you're worried about your security, hindi mo kailangan siyang isipin kasi may separate entrance for residential and for commercial. So, nothing to worry about that. Okay? So, now, punta tayo sa loob ulit. Ayan. Malawak talaga siya. Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo quickly lang. Bawal tayo pumasok sa loob. Pero, ayan. Nandiyan na yung lobby ng Park McKinley West. Tower A and B. And talagang wala pa. Ayan. Diba? Tapos magkaka-coffee shop din daw dito. May Starbucks din atong i-open dito. Sa phase 2. Tapos may supermarket. Talagang proper mall talaga siya. Wala lang siyang cinema. Ayan. So, meron tong lower ground floor. And sa lower ground floor, Miss Cyril will be touring you there naman. Ayan, so maraming lakad lang siya. Ay, ito. Tapos meron din, ito hot pot. Meron din mag-open na Good Luck Hot Pot dito sa area na to. Malaki siya, laki na nakuha ng area. First year yun dito sa McKinley West, yung Good Luck Hot Pot. Meron dyan. Ayan, nalapit na. Konting na lang. Lapit na sa atin. Tapos ito, Japanese naman, restaurant, Ogawa. Dito yung Ogawa na massage. Ito yung nasa 4th Strip kasi nag-close na diba yung 4th Strip. So ngayon, dito sila lilipat. Diba close na yung 4th Strip? Parang giniba na siya. So dito na siya ililipat. Ayan. Tapos, ayan na. This is the upper ground floor, guys. So now we are about to go sa lower ground floor. So si Miss Cyril, she will tour you around there para pakita sa niyo yung mga stores na yung open doon and gaano kalaki yung lower ground floor. So, are you guys ready? Are you ready, Miss Sai? Let's go!
Thanks, Lore. So now we're here in upper ground and then baba naman tayo dito sa lower ground. Let's go! So, baba tayo ngayon dito. Ingat ka. So, baba tayo ngayon dito sa lower ground. So now guys, so andito na tayo sa lower ground floor. So dito sa lower ground floor, it's more of the like yung services, nail services, spa, or even yung mga haircut. Dito siya ilalagay. Yung mga restaurants dun sa taas. So don't be confused kasi pagka along Le Grand kayo dumaan, ang unang entrance nyo will be the lower ground. Pero pag along Loton kayo dumaan, ang magiging entrance nyo is the upper ground. Okay? So kasi parang pag ganun siya, yung slope ng land dito sa McKinley West. So don't be confused. So ikot tayo. So, meron dito sa side, pero quick ano lang natin. Di ba ito nakasara? Going sa ano siya? Parking. Yeah. So, ito, may access siya. Silipin natin. Puntahan na natin, i-maximize na natin guys kasi this is the first time na makikita natin to. Alam ko na, this is the location for the delivery. Delivery ng mga, let's say, mga goods or mga foods or yung mga sa store dito. Dito sila. So, parang naka-well-planned talaga tong yung Park McKinley West Mall kung saan yung delivery, ganyan. So, eto may mga services din. And then, ikot naman tayo dito sa kabila. So, mahaba-habang lakarin ang gagawin natin. So, if you can see, this one, may access din to. Yung access na to naman, going, or from Legrand Avenue na. So, pag, labas tayo. Silipin natin. Sige, sabi nyo. So, ayan siya. And then, this escalator naman is going sa basement 1. That's for the parking. So, for the commercial area or for the commercial mall, ang parking will be basement 1. For the residential, it will be basement 2 and 3. So, ito yung isang access to Whiskey Park. Ayan. So, hindi lang tayo pwede lumabas, pero this one is facing nung Legrand. Yung kaninang pinuntahan ni Lor, yung may alfresco, yan din siya. Ayan. So, an access dito. And then, we will show you yung access naman na pinakamalapit sa Park McKinley West, yung residential natin. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Na-distract, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda naman. So, yung wall decor niya, very modern. Pati yung ceiling. Ang ganda, guys. As in, very modern siya. Yung ceiling. So, yun nga, parang more on, parang uptown mall style din. Ayan. So, eto guys, yung spaces naman natin for the services na. So, if you are interested din, ilalagay namin sa description box yung name ng contact namin dito, si Miss Anne. So, para you can inquire din if meron kayong business like yung sa nail salon, yung massage, like that. Pwede dito yun. Pwede dito yun. So, ayan, nalalaki ng space. And, eto yung access papunta sa lobby ng residential. So, we have the restroom area here. And then, dito na-exercise tayo ngayon, guys. So, ayan. So, pwede kaya? Hindi. Hindi. So, hindi tayo makakalabas. Pero, guys, this one is the entrance. Ito yung nearest entrance if galing kayo ng Park McKinley West mismo. So, ito lang siya mismo. Ito yung lobby. Tower A and B lobby. And then, paglabas nyo ng Tower A and B lobby, ito na siya. Like, kakaliwa kayo, ito na yung entrance. So, hindi na kayo maiinitan or hindi kayo mababasa ng ulan para lang pumunta sa mall. So, very convenient. So, that's it, guys. So, ngayon, balik naman tayo dun sa alfresco area para mas ma-appreciate natin yung location dun. Let's go! So, that's it, guys. So, now I'm here naman sa alfresco area ng Park McKinley West Mall along Legrand Avenue. This alfresco area is located in the upper ground floor and dito, eto na mismo yung lobby ng Tower A and B of Park McKinley West. So, ayun siya. You can see the yellow couch. Ayan. And then yung mga stores sa loob kanina na pinuntahan natin, ayan siya, yung floor-to-ceiling glass window. So, this will be the phase 1 only. And then yung phase 2 will be below the Tower C and D of Park McKinley West. And then, as per Miss Anne, yung contact namin here sa leasing department, the phase 1 are for the services, for the restaurants, for the foods, like that. And for the phase 2, that will be the location for the retail shops and the grocery. Yan. So, if you are interested to rent, take note, Mega World is not selling or we are not selling commercial spaces or even offices. But if you are interested to rent a space minimum around 40 square meters, you can message us. We will endorse you properly to Miss Anne para she can give you the exact quotation, how much it costs, ganyan. And then, she can also give you a tour or discussion, a proper discussion regarding this commercial area. So, eto yung Legrand. So, as you can see, that's the San Moritz. That is the Chateau Road. Ayan. So, this is the FactSet building pala, yung BPO office. Ayan. So, yeah. So, that's it, guys. So, we still have available units here in Park McKinley West. So, if you are interested, just let us know. You can message me or Lawrence. We will leave our numbers here in the screen, or you can check the description box for more details. Or if you are looking for a pre-selling unit, like yung hindi pa talaga, wala pang developments, we can offer you the Uptown Modern. This is the residential project we have located in Uptown Bonifacio. So, if you have any questions, guys, just let us know. Thank you again for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye!